Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix incoming call busy problem on iPhone on iOS 18. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to go ahead and head to settings. After opening settings, we are going to scroll down and go to the apps section. After going to the apps section, we are going to go to the phone section. Now to easily search for phone, click on search and type down phone. As you can see, we are going to the phone section now. Now scroll down and you're going to find silence unknown callers from here. Now let's go into this option and make sure you disable this option, because if you have enabled this option, then calls from unknown numbers will be silenced and sent to voicemail, and it will be displayed in your recent list. So we're going to go back and then we're going to click on blocked contacts. After going to blocked contacts, if you have some numbers in your block list, those numbers will not be able to reach your iPhone. Then your iPhone will be automatically showing the caller that you are busy. So in order to remove a contact from your blocked list, swipe a contact to the left side and then click on unblock, and a contact will be unblocked. Then you'll be able to receive call from that number. However, if these two methods didn't work for you, there is a third method, which is if your do not disturb mode is on or if any other focus mode is on. Now, in order to check do not disturb mode or focus mode, we are going to swipe down from the upper right corner to go to the control center. Here we go. Now, as you can see, my do not disturb mode is on. Now, to simply disable it, we are going to click on the moon icon and it will be disabled. Now, it's not necessary that your do not disturb mode will be on, because there can be any other focus modes. As you can see, we have sleep mode, personal mode, work mode. Now, I'm going to turn on sleep mode. And as you can see, now sleep mode is turned on. So if it's do not disturb or sleep or any other focus mode, make sure to tap on it and it will be turned off. So guys, after following these three methods, your iPhone will surely receive calls from unknown callers or any other numbers. So if you have found this video helpful, then please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.